amazing. Today, windscreens are pointless, absolutely pointless. They serve no purpose. Everyone should dress like Biggles. Hello and welcome to Dinosaur News, and I doubt you can hear a word I'm saying. What's it like driving a car without a windscreen? There's no aero screens, no nothing. Full on no windscreen. The windscreen I had on the car cracked down the middle. The frame was horrible. The guy drilled loads of holes in it and all that. So I've gone with a new type of windscreen. I've gone for a taller windscreen. And I've gone for the new style pillars. But they take a while to get here, so I thought I'd try the car without a windscreen. This is very, very weird. I kind of like it. Where's my mic? Ah! Dick on, it's weird. I mean, I'm only doing 50 miles an hour, but it feels like a million. So, what is it like? Well, I can feel it destroying my face. I'm terrified the rocks are going to hit me, and I'm so cold, I don't even know what my arms are doing. It's also ridiculously invigorating and very addictive. I'm tempted not to put a windscreen back on this car. I'm just following traffic. But even that's quite terrifying. The wind noise is extraordinary. It's like being on a roller coaster or something. So, why do people run these without windscreens? Admittedly, they do have something called an aero screen on. There's a little plastic wind deflector that I don't have. So, the reason they run these without windscreens is it's a flat piece of glass. It's quite upright, quite vertical. So it really slows down the car, ruins the top speed. I just got hit in the face by something. Yeah, it ruins the top speed. So when people build racing cars, racing sevens, they just don't have a windscreen on. You don't need it, you've got a crash helmet. But the problem is, for people like me, you don't want to be wearing the race gear all the time, so you need a windscreen. And on the road you never drive above 70 miles an hour, so you're alright. There's not many words in this video, but my brain is just like no one lie. There's a bridge there. I've never been here. Like, never, ever, ever been here. I think I found one of my new favourite places. I'm in love with a road. I love this car. It's just so good. It's so stupid. I don't have a windscreen on. I get hit in the face all the time by things. The noise it's making is stupid. I know that I'm not going to have any lungs anymore. My arms are quite cold. But it's quite nice because I spent the whole night just not being able to sleep in my room because it's so warm. So to get into this and just be properly cool, I'm exploring. Cars shouldn't have windscreens. We've learned something today. Windscreens are pointless. Absolutely pointless. They serve no purpose. Everyone should dress like Biggles. Unless it's raining. If it's raining, you shouldn't not have a windscreen. Useful life advice from Stephen. It's surprising how many times you get hit in the face by things. It kind of stings a little, but it's not too bad. Imagine if it's a stone or something, that's really bad. That's why I've been trying to stick to these quiet roads and not follow people closely. I like these goggles. They're from my childhood. My dad bought them when he had the Morgans. If you like that, please subscribe, and there's 2 more videos for you to watch, well, anywhere around here. See you in the next one. Ta-ra! Can't see a sodding thing through my goggles anymore.